I'm the Chief Global Water Officer at Charity Water. We're a nonprofit based in New York City, and our mission is to provide clean and safe drinking water to people in developing countries. We've reached over 11 million people in the last 13 years and provided clean and safe drinking water to over 50,000 communities in 28 countries. When a well breaks down, it's in a very remote area, and the government has very little capacity to go out there and check on it. The local community doesn't reach out for help necessarily because they're so remote. So nobody knows about it, and it just goes unfixed. We've developed a remote sensor that retrofits onto hand pumps in remote locations in Africa and Asia. It's got a 10-year battery life, and it has a pre-existing roaming agreement with every telecom company in the world, basically, so that it can be installed and immediately starts taking hourly readings of liters of water flowing through the hand pump. Once the data gets into the AWS platform, there it's analyzed, and we're looking for disruptions in service. Using cloud computing and remote sensors and IoT, we can get hourly readings for a fraction of the cost. So an exponential growth in the amount of data we're able to connect, and an exponential reduction in the cost of acquiring that data. When it came time to build this new generation of sensors, Twisthink has taken on the mechanical engineering, the electrical engineering, developing the algorithm, and then helping us build the cloud computing system that is receiving all of the data from the field, managing it, analyzing it, and feeding it back out in reports to the users in the field. They've really created a great sense of ownership among their team for this project and really gone the extra mile to help us build the absolute best product that we possibly can do. We're so excited about the technological developments in IoT, in cloud computing, and some of the tools that we have access to through the AWS platform, and putting those to work for people living on less than $1 a day. It has real life-changing potential for them.